Question number 9. Which equation best represents the graph below? Okay, so again, I will be using y equals mx plus b, the slope-intercept form, where m is the slope and b the y-intercept. So in this case, we can already tell what b is. The y-intercept is just 2. So I can plug the 2 in for b. I almost wrote b again. There we go. Great. But now what is m, which is the slope? Well, this will be a little bit harder to see in this case. You can determine the slope by using the slope formula as well. But in this case, I'm just going to take a look at the rise over the run. So between these 2 points, what is the run? The horizontal distance. Well, we're going from 0 for x all the way up to 5. So the run is just 5. Now what is the rise? We have a tiny little rise here. Very small. We're going from 2 to 2.5. So the rise is just 0.5. Because 2.5 minus 2 is just 0.5. Okay, and that was the run. Now, rise over run. That's just going to be 0.5 over 5. And 0.5 divided by 5 is just 0.1. So that is the slope, which I can plug in right here. So y equals mx plus b. M is the slope. So the answer is D. Great. Now question 10. Very similar to question number 7. Well, actually I meant to say 9, but also 7. Okay, so y equals mx plus b. The y-intercept is b, which in this case is just 2. Okay, so what is the slope, though, which is m? Well, let's take these 2 points, connect them with a right triangle. Now, what is the run, which of course is the horizontal distance? We are going from -3 over to 0. So the run is just 3. That's it. Now what is the rise? Well, what is the vertical distance that we're going through here? Well, we're going from 8 all the way down to 2. So the the rise is negative. It's -6 because the line is going down from left to right. And of course, 2 minus 8, so 2 minus 8, we're of course only looking at the y values, is -6. So rise over run, and that is our rise. Rise over run is -6 over 3. -6 divided by 3 is just -2. So the answer is, what was our b again? Our b was 2. So we have y equals -2x plus 2. So the answer is D.